Welcome back everyone to this week's edition of Southview Acura's Service Drive Insight. My name's Ryan. Today we're going to be going over Acura's Maintenance Minder system. Follow me. Alright, now that we're in our Acura, we're going to be going through the menu system on the dash to find our oil life. So as you can see on this vehicle, our oil life is at 50% and we're due for the subcode A. When your vehicle's due for service at 30%, you'll get a wrench icon, and it looks like this on the screen. Because this vehicle isn't due yet, you won't get the wrench icon. We do recommend though that you call us when your oil life is at about 30%. A main code A, 0, are going to be your oil change services. A main code B is going to be your brake service with your oil change. Any of the subcodes that you'll see on the right side of your main code, 1 through 9, are going to be your subcodes. Your subcodes are different maintenance reminders such as air filters, differential fluid, and more. Please call our service department for more details on those subcodes. All right, so now we were able to find out what maintenance minder is due on your vehicle, as well as the oil life percentage. We're able to identify main codes and subcodes. But why is that important? Your Acura vehicle is designed to monitor several different sensors and tailor your maintenance to your driving habits, as well as the conditions that you drive under, so you can get the best life out of your Acura vehicle. All right, so we've gone over the Acura Maintenance Minder system, the features, the benefits. I've also attached a link for a Canadian recommended maintenance minder schedule that's going to help you identify some of those codes. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and you'll save $10 on your next service visit. Thank you again, and we'll see you next week on Service Drive Insight.